Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we're diving deep into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has ranked CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 236.12% since we initially designated CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This results in an average return of 7.87% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a continued ascent within this trend is anticipated. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock upgraded to buy candidate. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price decreased by nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, dropping from $149.70 to $148.97. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.62%, from a low of $142.51 to a high of $154.80. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by over 41% in the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price trends. On that day, trading volume fell by 9 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.23 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $166.60, while the lowest was $33.52. Currently, the price stands 10.58%, or $17.63, below the 52-week high of $166.60, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave stock, identified by the symbol CRWV, has experienced an impressive surge, skyrocketing 136.6% over the past months to close at $149.70. This robust performance stands in stark contrast to the modest gains in the broader market and industry, with the S&P 500 and the Zacks internet software sector seeing increases of just 2.8% and 5.4%, respectively. The catalyst behind this growth includes the company's newly announced $7 billion AI data center partnership with Applied Digital, which has itself seen its stock double as a result of the announcement. Further bolstering its market position, CoreWeave has been selected to provide computing capacity in Google's newly signed partnership with OpenAI, indicating its integral role in the AI infrastructure ecosystem. Such moves are crucial as demand for AI-related processing power escalates. However, while the hype around CRWV could propel short-term gains, analysts express caution regarding the company's financial fundamentals, emphasizing significant debt incurred for expansion. This has led some experts to suggest alternative investments in the AI space, raising concerns about CoreWeave's long-term viability compared to industry giants like NVIDIA. Investors should weigh the potential for continued short-term momentum against these fundamental risks, as enthusiastic market sentiment might not be sustainable in the long run. As CoreWeave attempts to carve out its niche among AI cloud competitors, its ability to deliver on growth promises will ultimately determine whether its stock can maintain its current trajectory or retreat in the face of deeper financial scrutiny. Analyst ratings on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, as well as the price-to-book ratio, also classified as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have provided the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal is indicated for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $150.57. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $90.70. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 8.66%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically correlates with price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 29 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average also shows a buy signal from 31 days ago. The long-term moving average confirms a buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave. Class A common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $135.05 and $123.97. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support just below today's level at $135.05. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $123.97 and $120.20. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $12.29 between its high and low, which is an increase of 8.62%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 9.92%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 23 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $150.48. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $135.05. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Mick B. Brannan, who bought and sold 2,058,060 shares or options in the company. Based on the 23 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 48.592. Overall, insiders purchased 2,287,739 shares and sold 649,361 shares during these last 23 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $140.48, indicating a decline of 5.7%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. There is currently a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock to perform well in the short term. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open lower by 210 cents and begin trading at $148.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.